Hi, this is Ingo. I want to do a quick unboxing video today. I bought something on eBay for 47 euros and it's all Commodore stuff and I think it could be pretty exciting. I'm not sure how much of this is actually still working, and it's very likely that some of the contents of the package could actually turn out to be my next projects to fix stuff. So just follow me along and let's do the unboxing. Okay, so here's the package. It's quite big, very heavy actually, and those who follow me on eBay might already know what's in there because I showed some pictures. So yeah, I haven't seen any of the contents yet, so it will be interesting for sure. So let's start. So what we do, first of all, it came with hammers, and that usually is not the best way to ship old brittle plastic. I don't know what they do different, if they throw stuff around, but they have a bad reputation, at least here in Germany. So yeah, the package itself, you can already see the first items. I think this is already different from what I thought. All right, let's go. Okay, so first item is a Commodore Plus 4. It is very, very yellowed. Crazy yellowed. It does look even yellower in real life. Okay, but it was actually used for stuff. Somebody made the effort and yeah, tore apart the original logo, the label, and yeah, there's a key missing. It's broken. It's not too good. Very dirty. And what's this actually? This will be interesting to see. So this has definitely been used a lot and be tinkered with. Let's see. Yeah. So this will be interesting to take a look and see what it is. So yeah, if it still works. What's next? All right. So yeah, I already expected. So this is Commodore 1551, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, yeah, 1551. It's the floppy drive that was made for the 264 series, which is the Plus 4, the C16 and the C116. And they have become quite rare. This one is really dusty, and as you can see, it's actually unscrewed, and I have no idea about the condition of this one. What apparently happens a lot is that these little plastic vents, they break easily, especially when you ship them like this has been shipped. But this has already been broken. I was able to see it on the eBay auction photos. So yeah, it has this different kind of connector, and it's supposed to be much faster than the 1541 hard drive. So yeah, let's see. All right, so maybe I can actually fix that. If I can fix that, then this would be worth the price alone. As I said, I paid 47 euros for it. Shipment was 13 euros, so it's 60 euros in total. And these usually easily go for 80 and more. So, all right, so next we can see is another Plus 4. And this one has a weird cable coming out. This is really crazy. Have you ever seen this? Okay, And I could already feel it, and I can take a look inside. It's empty. Sorry. It's actually empty. This is crazy. So whoever did this decided that this should be a keyboard only solution. I guess that this is a keyboard connector for the other item that is in the box. So this is already very, very strange. So let's continue. What do we have here? That's a classic data set from Commodore. Apparently all broken. Yep. Not much you can do. And there's even tape in it. Let's see. Yep. I like the looks of these old tapes. Somehow these looked very futuristic. Anyway, I might be able to fix this. I do have quite a lot of these actually, but one of the good things is these cables are very useful if you want to create an adapter for these drives. So, okay, so this is already pretty weird. All right, next up is a power supply. This is the standard power supply for the Plus 4. There are power supplies that are round, with a round DIN connector like this, and it looks okay. And there's a Plus 4 version that actually has a square connector. This one, I guess those have both the round one. No, this apparently had the square connector, and this one, oh no, okay, I see. It has the round connector, but they're all with plastic from the initial square connector. Alright, they changed it later on, I think, to match the one from the C64, which is a good thing because you can actually use the power supply of the C64 for the Plus 4 as well. Not for the C116 and not for the C16. They have a completely different power supply. Alright, okay. Let's go with this one. Oh, it's very heavy. Okay, so this is an external floppy disk. 5.5 inch, 5.25 inch, right? Alright, okay, so nothing too special. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, not sure what to do with this one, but well, I got it. So, and now we are getting to the big final. Okay, drum roll. Yes. Here we are. Oh my god. Here it is. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Even in the bad shape that it is in. The bad condition. So, this is, or should have been, spoiler alert, I think it is a B500. Has this really nice Commodore logo. Oh man, this would already be really good wallpaper for my computer. It's very dirty, but this can usually be cleaned up easily. Here on the back, let's see the connections. So RS232, see where this is going, and as you can see, there's lots of stuff missing. So what's going on here? And this one, it's turned on. All right, so there's stuff. Oh my god, it all comes off. But yeah, since we are here, let's do it. So this one wasn't screwed as well. And let's see. All right, here we go. Whatever crazy man, whatever maniac owned these machines before actually decided to put the Commodore +4 inside the case of this beautiful computer. So I think you can actually see this is the keyboard and it's soldered. Oh, it's okay, but see this cable going to the RS-232. And I think what happens is if you take this connector from the +4, you can put it inside and use the +4 as the keyboard for the +4, which is inside this machine. And I have no idea why anybody would do this. Let alone that I would understand how they achieved it. Obviously there's a power supply over here and it all looks very, very dangerous. This one actually is, this is crazy. What is this even? It looks like an RF cable, but it's coming out of the video port, not from the RF. I don't know. It's really, really weird. There's a heatsink, one of the chips, which is cool. This is like crazy adapter to get the reset button working with this, the case. Anyway, so we will have to find out over the next days, because this will probably be one of the next projects, to find out how to make this work again, clean it up, and let's see if we can get this working. All right, so that's it for today. That's the whole lot. Again, I paid 47 euros for it. I think it's worth it. It's interesting for sure, and hope you enjoyed it. All right, see you soon.